Okay, what we've got here is a tank connector, or sometimes called a bulkhead fitting, and there are other names for them as well. The fitting comprises of 4 parts: a nut, a gasket for sealing, and another nut at the end, and a piece of threaded pipe. So usually when we're using tank connectors and bulkhead fittings, the threaded end goes through into the tank. So here's our tank wall, the threaded end is going through into the tank. A bead of silicone is put around between the nut and the gasket. Another bead of silicone is put around the gasket. Only a very small bead is needed, and the bead needs to just run just around the thread, not around the whole gasket itself. This is then pushed through, and the tank connector is then tightened up by putting the nut on the other side and tightening up against the seal. If you're going through a tank wall where you can't reach over and grab both sides of here, of the tank connector, then it's important to get one person on one side of the tank connector holding the tank connector whilst the other person tightens up the nut on the inside. If it's tightened up too much, then it can squeeze all the silicone out and you'll start to see the rubber seal bulge out. So it only needs to be hand tight and perhaps a tiny bit more. Thanks for watching. Bye.